Hi, I'm JV Bagay, 23 years old.
Hi, my name is David Gerald Vietejano. I am 23 years old, and we are from Batch 02 2025.
I graduated in Bachelor Science in Nursing in CEU Manila or Central Escolar University Manila. I took the board exam last year, 2024, and then I passed the board exam.
I graduated in Mapua Malayan Colleges of Laguna with Bachelor of Science in Entrepreneurship, Batch 2023.
Bata pa lang kasi ako, gusto ko na talaga maging piloto. Pero sadly, napunta ako sa medical field. Ikaw ba?
Since pandemic, hindi ko natuloy yung aviation career ko, pero thankful ako kay Lord na binigay niya din yung aviation career sa tamang panahon. Tulad ngayon, the transition of entrepreneurship into aviation career, at first hindi siya madali, pero sooner or later na solusyon na naman siya with my instructors and my seniors, and same lang naman sila ng knowledge into entrepreneurship and aviation, which is risk-taking and also the critical thinking.
Sa akin naman, sobrang laking changes ang nangyari sa akin. Kasi galing ako sa med, napunta sa aviation. Pero may isa ako napansin, which is yung safety. Bakit ko na-kumpara yun? Kasi parehas sa safety nila, buhay ang pinag-uusapan.
To all the aspiring pilots, my message to you is there's no word late in pursuing your dreams. Just be yourself.
And also, be brave, be optimistic, and always keep safe.